How to add background music on CapCut application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can add background music on CapCut application. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up CapCut application in your mobile device. Tap on new project. Then you have to select the video or image where you want to add the background music on. Then tap on add. Now you will land on the edit piece. Here, first of all, mute the original audio of your video. Tap on your video. Then tap on the mute clip on this timeline here. Now that's gonna mute all of the original sounds from your video. Now in order to add audio in your video, tap on the add audio from the timeline, then go to the sounds. Now from this music library on CapCut, you have to scroll through it and then search or select the song that you want to add. If you want to listen to that song, tap on it and that's gonna play. And if you want to add that music, tap on the plus icon next to that music. Now you will find your music on your timeline. Now you can edit the music. If you tap on the music and if you want to adjust the volume, tap on the volume from the menu bar at the bottom. Now with this slide bar, you could adjust your volume. You could either increase or decrease the volume, adjust according to the way you want. Once you're done, tap on tick mark. Now you could also further edit your song. Now if you look at this video, it does not match with the length of your music or the background music. Now to match the length, you have to take that vertical line to the end of your video. Then tap on the music, then split the music. After that, you could delete the remaining part. There you go. Now the background music has been added in your video and that will sync with its length. So that's it. That's how you can add background music on video in CapCut, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.